Hello guys, it's Ian Rail Group here today. Today we're at Market Harborough on the Midland Mainline. About to arrive in about another 5 minutes will be the Nottingham bound service. Only Nottingham bound services stop at this station and Sheffield pass through. Shortly to pass through in a minute will be a Sheffield London bound service. Anyway, let's see what arrive and departs from Market Harborough. Approaching now is the slow stopping service for Nottingham. Also just right around the corner, bound for London from Sheffield, will be another 22 Meridian. The one approaching in now is 222022. I'll catch the other one as she passes. The other Meridian is 222006. 222006 bound for London on a, I think it's probably a stopping service, and 222022 bound for Nottingham via Loughborough, Eastman's Parkway and Beeston. Train now departing platform 1 is a Nottingham slow bound service. We'll be calling at Leicester, Loughborough, Eastman's Parkway and Beeston en route. Shortly, in about 5 minutes, there will be a Nottingham to London bound service.
46 East Midlands
Hold on.
Service to London St Pancras is delayed. Please listen.
222022 now bound for Nottingham. As you just heard, the London St Pancras is delayed at the moment. I will hear about that as further notice when it arrives. The train now approaching platform 1 is a Sheffield bound service. It is 222003. Train now approaching in is a stopping service for London on a all stop. Triple 2017. Now the party is 222017 bound for London on all majority stations. The next train should be a passing service bound for Sheffield, and then after that should be a London bound stopper, and also the HST service on a fast to Nottingham. The train now approaching in is a fast service to Nottingham for a class 43 HST. The front power car is 43055. I'll catch the rear power car as she pulls in. The rear power car is 43061. also just passed through now. Can't see him. Will be a brilliant, and I don't think she's just popping up yet, but I'll film as she passes. Passing behind the HST is 222 something, bound for London from Sheffield. 220. Shortly after this shall be departing in a couple of minutes. Now departing, as I am filming the rear power car, actually seems to be smoking quite nicely at the moment. Can't remember the front power car, but 43061 was named Fearless Foxes for a particular reason. I'll tell you just after she departs. Was named Fearless Foxes for one particular reason. It's because actually Leicester won Premier League last year, and they decided to name it for the service down to the final match. Passing through now is a Sheffield bound service via Leicester, formed of 222-018. As she passes through, pulling in now is the fast service bound for London, formed of another HST, 43048 on the front. I'll catch the rear power car as she departs. Now the party is 43048, bound for London, and I'll catch the rear power car as she goes. There goes a humanity clank from 43048 as usual. And if I turn around, the rear power car is 43075. Considering this is a small station for the HSDs, I will be ending my video here at Market Harborough due to the lack of services. It is pretty much owned by Eastman's Trains, and there is quite a few that run, but today I'm not really considering staying for long, as I'm heading back to the Leicester train station, which I will be doing a couple of photo shoots at with the LRP depot. Thank you very much for watching my video of Market Harborough, and I shall see you soon. But before I end the video, the stations that I'll be considering doing next are Derby, Nottingham, possibly Bedford, and Crewe, which is a revisit. So thank you very much, and I shall see you soon. Goodbye.